Good morning, first graders. Today we are on page 121 of your student journal, and we are going to be continuing with what we were working on before. So our objective today says, today I will compare two-digit numbers using greater than and less than symbols. And remember, yesterday we talked about what a two-digit number is. So we said 10 is considered a two-digit because it has 2 digits in this number. And it can go all the way up to 99 because 99 has 2 digits. But 100 has 3 digits. And anything before 10, like 9, only has 1 digit. So we're going to be comparing numbers that are 2 digits using those greater than, less than symbols. So let's remind ourselves about some of our vocabulary. Okay, here are our greater than and less than symbols. Now remember, boys and girls, I talked about the greater than and less than symbols is that alligator. We're going to think about that alligator who wants to eat the bigger number or the larger number, the greater number. He wants to eat it, so that's his mouth opening and grabbing it. And then we talked about our place value chart, and we talked about how they draw this number. So this is called a 10 rod, but that's going to be really tricky for us to draw. So instead of drawing that, we're just going to draw a vertical line. And instead of trying to draw these little cubes for our ones, we're just going to draw dots. Those are going to be our 1 units. So this is 1 10 and 6 1 units, which is 16. And this is 1 10 and 1 2 units, which is 12. So which one would you grab if you were a hungry alligator? Are you going to grab 16 or 12? You're going to grab the 16. So 16 is greater than 12. Okay, so let's look at our steps. It says we're going to identify the numbers in the tens place and compare their values. So we talked about this last time, is that we always check the tens first. That's what we always need to check, boys and girls, is the tens place first. And then if needed, then it says identify the numbers in the ones place and compare their values. So we first check the tens, and then if we have to, we check the ones, and then we put in the correct symbol. Okay, so boys and girls, I'm going to get started on mine. If you want to put your pencil down and watch me for a moment. Here is my first problem. And it says I'm going to compare 36 with 25. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw or build my numbers using these base 10 blocks. So this is in the tens place, and it means I have 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. This is in the ones place, and it means I have 6 1 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I'm going to build this number. I have 2 tens, 1, 2, and I have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now I built my number, and now I can compare them. Remember, I always compare my tens first. So over here I have 3 tens, and over here I have 2 tens. So which one would you grab if you're the hungry alligator? You're going to grab the 3 tens. So here's his open mouth grabbing it. This is a greater than sign. So our sign says 36 is greater than 25. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to do another one. Here's my next one. It says 83 compared to 94. Okay, so I first have to build my number. So I have 8 tens. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Okay, over here I have 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I have 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so when I compare though, I always compare my tens first. So here I have 8 tens and here I have 9 tens. So if you're the hungry alligator, which one are you gonna grab with your mouth? 8 tens or 9 tens? Ooh, hopefully you said you're gonna grab the 9 tens. So here's his mouth ready to open and grab it. Okay, this is called our less than sign, our symbol. It looks kind of like an L, So it says 83 is less than 94. Okay, friends, let's try some together. We are on page 122. I apologize, we are not. We're on page 123. You could open your book and join me with your pencil. Okay, we need to build our numbers first. So we have a 44, which means we have 4 tens. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have a 4 in our ones place value. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, over here we have 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 1, 1. Okay, so we're ready to compare. Now remember, when we compare, we always compare our tens first. So I have 4 tens over here, and I have 6 tens over here. So which one am I gonna grab if I'm the hungry alligator? Are you gonna grab 4 tens or are you gonna grab 6 tens? Ooh, I hope you're saying you're gonna grab the 6 tens, friends. So here's his open mouth. So this says 44 is less than, because that kind of looks like an L, 44 is less than 61. Okay, let's do one more together. Here's our next one. It says 72 and we're going to compare it with 57. Okay, so let's get ready to draw our base using base 10 blocks. Over here we have 7 tens. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have 2 ones. 1, 2. Okay, over here we have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so friends, which do we check first? We check our tens or our ones. Ask yourself that. I hope you're yelling tens, tens, tens. So over here we have 7 tens, and over here we have 5 tens. So who's gonna get grabbed by the hungry alligator? 7 tens or 5 tens? Okay, I hope we all said he was gonna grab the 7 tens, and this is called our greater than symbol. So it says 72 is greater than 57. Okay, boys and girls, you have some to try on your own today. Have a good day. Bye-bye.